Hello folks, today we're diving into ISO 9001 Clause 911, Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis, and Evaluation. If you're new to the channel and find this video useful, subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest lean ISO management systems discussions. The standard requires organizations to define what to monitor and measure, how to do it, when, and how to evaluate the results. Stick with me to see how we can break this down. Clause 911 starts with determining what needs monitoring and measuring. The first thing that comes to mind is ensuring products and services meet requirements. These requirements are found in product or service specifications. These may be a pump flow rate of 27 plus or minus 2 gallons per minute, a shaft diameter of 7.25 plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, and a project deadline of January 17. But measurement shouldn't stop at products and services. What about the performance of our business and quality management system? If you followed our previous discussions, you know this relates to clauses 4.1, organizational context, and 4.2, interested parties. We used a context matrix to document the issues and needs of the interested parties. Then, we performed a SWOT analysis and FMEA to prioritize risks based on their impact. For example, you should measure turnover rates or engagement scores if employee satisfaction is a risk. If warranty claims are skyrocketing, track defect rates and customer complaints. By the way, if you want to review the context matrix, you can download the free PDF on our website. This was a good start, but the top performance indicators do not come out of thin air. They have to be a result of the contributing processes. This is where the standard requirements 6.2 quality objectives and planning to achieve them come into play. Element 6.2.1 requires the organization to establish quality objectives at relevant functions. For example, if you establish an on-time shipping objective, the shipping department will depend on the packaging performance. The packaging will do well only if the final test is on time, and so on. To explore this issue further, check out my video Business Objectives, Mission Impossible, which shows how to set up your objectives and how not. The link is below. The next point, B, calls for the methods for monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation needed to ensure valid results. Again, we look at two areas, products and services, measured using instrumentation, tools, and inspections, and management system performance, tracked through data collection, trend analysis, and reporting. Speaking of analysis and evaluation, we'll dive deeper into Clause 913 in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Sub-elements C and D appear to reiterate points A and B, so let's keep moving. The following requirement is to evaluate the quality management system's performance and effectiveness. This appears to be yet another duplication, as we have already discussed monitoring and measuring the system. The final requirement demands appropriate documentation. Appropriate for what? The standard inconveniently leaves that part out. Here's some practical advice: avoid vague terms like all, applicable, and appropriate. If I were to rewrite this requirement, it would say, determine and maintain the documentation needed to demonstrate compliance and the effectiveness of the QMS. Let's summarize our discussion today. Identify what needs to be monitored and measured. Determine the methods for monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. Define when the monitoring and measuring shall be performed. Identify when the results from monitoring and measurement shall be analyzed and evaluated. Evaluate the performance of the QMS. Maintain needed documentation. Drop a comment below on how you think this clause can be improved. What would you change? As always, check out the free resources on our website. Contact me if you have questions about this topic or need assistance implementing lean ISO management systems. Before you go, please subscribe, like, and share this video to support the Lean QMS project. Thanks for watching. Until next time.